Hi guys.
I'm Shauni.
And I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 12 lovely years.
Yes, indeed. And today's topic, why don't they trust me? It may be more to it than you think.
That's right. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe.
And we're going to talk about the topic at hand right after this intro.
Can't help yourself.
Okay, it blows my mind when people want their partners to trust them when they have proven to be untrustworthy. My question is, why would they trust you?
Right.
For me, love and trust is not in a number 1 and number 2 ranking. They are equal.
That's right.
I can't do nothing with love if I don't trust you.
Facts.
Trust and distrust, for that matter, shows up in so many ways in people's relationships. Ways that a lot of people don't even think about that contribute to the downfall of your relationship. So let's talk about some of those ways.
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
What you got to say about it?
I'll say the first thing I can think of is not doing what you say you're going to do. If you're always telling your partner that you're going to do things and you don't do it, I don't care how small it is. They are not going to trust you because you do not keep your word.
Facts.
And you know what that's called? A lack of integrity.
Yes, indeed. Listen, yes. If you can't do something, say you can't do it. If you don't want to do something, say no.
It's that easy.
Period. Could you do this? No. With a period at the end of it. Okay. Number 2, being secretive.
Yes.
There is a difference between privacy and secrecy.
Wow.
If something private gets out, it should not destroy your relationship.
No.
But them secrets, burn that sucker down to the ground.
Dang.
Secrecy disguised as privacy in a relationship is like poison described as food. It seems harmless, but ain't nothing harmless about it.
No.
It will kill the trust and your relationship.
Facts.
That is why it is important, vitally important, for you to open up and talk about things that may come up in the relationship later on so that it is no surprise to your partner. So if it comes up, when it comes up, because secrets always do come out.
Yes, they do.
All right? It will be no surprise to your partner. You have shared it with them and they're like, you know what? See, he already told me that. She already told me that. So you can go on with that.
Exactly.
You feel me?
Facts. All right, up next, opening up to you about their emotions. If your man or woman won't or even stops expressing their emotions to you, it's because they don't trust you with their emotions.
Facts.
Now listen, I get it. Sometimes people have past traumas and that plays a big part in it. But more often than not, it's because they don't trust your character.
Facts.
They know that if they share something with you that is emotional or important to them, or they're opening up to you, you're gonna use it against them.
Come on, y'all. Come on. We gotta get better.
Gotta do better.
Y'all gotta get better. I'm telling you, I had to work on it. He had to work on it. Everybody, you gotta get better. You gotta get better with yourself first and foremost. Then the other person have to get better with themselves, right? And then you can come together and make stuff work.
Yes.
Speaking of emotions, another way to cause mistrust in your relationship is withholding your emotions.
Wow, yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah. If you are opening up your emotions with your partner and they are almost never doing the same, child, they start to look suspect. It starts to look like they're just collecting data to use for manipulation and emotional extortion later on.
Wow.
Many emotionally unavailable people use the excuse, it's hard for me to open up. Okay, I get it. But however, if you care about and trust the person that you're with the way that you say that you do, I get that it may be hard, but it shouldn't be hard to the point where you are giving them next to nothing.
Right.
You gotta work on yourself. because there is something within you that is causing you to not be able to connect with other people.